What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text effects on your videos in Canva. You want to go ahead and find your text on your video in Canva. And once you click on the text, you will see effects at the top here. You can go ahead and you can click on effects. And so you will have different kind of style effects that you can apply. And so here you can make curve. You can basically use some apps to really, make your text looks nicer, or you can use one of those basic effects come from Canva right here. So let's say I wanted to use the neon. I can go ahead and I can use it. And as you can see, it is now applied in neon to it. Now, this is super cool because you can change the color of the text as well to make sure the neon looks, nice. And you can always play around with the intensity of it as well, as you can see on the left side. And so if you're trying to achieve, let's say, a particular color, just change the text color by default and you will see different colors appear of those texts. So this is how I would recommend that you do it. Find a text that would work with your video. And so you can set the neon and you can position it. And yeah, it pretty much works like that. And so that's how you can easily go ahead and add text effects to your videos in Canva. Very easy and very simple, guys.